Hi, Sudeep.
Hi. How are you, Dheeraj?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm fine. I am IPS. What about you?
I am software engineer.
Okay, where is our friend Kumar Charan?
Hi friends, I am here.
Hi Kumar Charan. How are you?
I am fine, Sudeep. What about you?
Yeah, I am in IPS. What are you doing?
I am an IAS officer.
Okay, where is Ritvik? He also our friend only, no?
I am also waiting for Ritvik.
Hey, hi Ritvik. How are you?
I am fine. How about you?
I am IPS. What are you doing?
I am businessman.
Okay. Where is Sairam?
Hi guys, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am fine. I am a doctor.
Okay, I am IPS. Here we are gathered here. Where are that backbenchers?
Students. I learned this voice somewhere in our intermediate class.
Yeah.
Hey, Ritvik, Renuka.
Renuka, we. Hey Renuka, what are you doing? పోయి చాయ్ అమ్ముకో మన డబ్బులు కావాలా? Hey, you all are front benchers? Sir, అప్పుడు మీ మాట వినుకోండి ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లా తయారైపోయినాం సార్. Don't cry. Where is Abhay and Tabraj? అరటిపల్లె Hey Abhay, what are you doing here?
అన్నా మీరు చెప్పినట్టు వినంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇలాంటి పరిస్థితి వచ్చేది కాదన్నా మాకు.
Where is Tabraj?
దోస్తులు వేసుకుంటున్నాడు.
దోస్తులు వేసుకుంటున్నాడు.